Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Talon Falls Screampark in Hickory, Kentucky. They've got 3 separate attractions at one location. They've got the Blood Creek Haunted Hayride, the flagship Talon Falls attraction, and the Dead End Haunted House. Each one features multiple themes and increases in intensity as we go. We're going to take you through all 3 of them tonight, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares. All right, up first is the Blood Creek Haunted Hayride. They've got an old faithful.
Yeah. Squealing pigs, butcher shop. Oh.
That's normal.
Oh
God.
Uh-oh.
Closing us in. Oh no.
He's back here. Killer Vegas.
This is beautiful.
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh.
Fire.
Ooh, the house is on fire.
Oh
Shit, God. The Undertaker. Ooh, I like this. I don't think that was the Undertaker. Ooh, look at the nose. She done peeled her face off. Oh, shoot. He done beaten. Oh, there goes the Bushman again. Oh, there goes that Bushman.
Not on the...
What is that? Oh my God.
Oh jeez. Oh my.
It's cloud time. Both sides.
I'm on here with ya. We're gonna go see the fortune teller.
The fortune teller?
Whether you live or die.
Oh God.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Look.
Come closer, my friend. I have seen your futures cut in this nightmarish realm. The boundaries are blurred between despair and terror.
Tyler, this one's gonna go in our trunk, I think.
Yeah, right?
See you in your dreams.
Awesome.
Need your life back? This is really cool.
This is really cool.
Yeah!
Bienvenue! Welcome to you in my wheel of misfortune. As you can see, this Callie is not making this evening. She like to wiggle. So I got her like the pig she is. But don't worry, there's plenty of room up there. And the show must go on. So, be gone with you. Ah, Lordy!
Oh no.
That's not good. They got him.
Pumpkin eater. Oh.
Oh, what is
Look at that, guys.
What is this? Oh God. Oh. It is the dragon.
It is the dragon, yeah.
I know that sound.
Oh, that's awesome. Creepy. Let's do it again.
now that we've wet the palate with the hayride, let's head on to the flagship attraction, Talon Falls.
All right, Talon Falls, let's go. Uh-oh.
Oh, swampy swamp.
They're gonna submerge us already.
Oh, no. This is so immersive. This is so immersive.
Oh, heck no.
That's
Oh
never
my
good.
God. What in the
There's
world?
swampmen in there.
There are swampmen?
Oh, shit! It's a Mothman!
Okay.
Oh my!
You're climbing everywhere. Oh, and then they disappeared.
Oh, into the wasteland.
What is that? What is that? Oh, okay. What? Oh, I hear a siren.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh, that can't be good.
Oh my! Oh my! Oh God! Oh God!
Where are we going here?
Oh my!
Look at
It's
that.
a large church. Even the clock says Talon Falls in it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my!
Oh my God, it's a giant. Giant bat. Oh.
Big bat! Big bat!
Oh no, we don't have any. No blood here. We're all dry.
There's
Oh.
some lovely catacombs. Oh, they're moving.
Oh my goodness, look at the wolfmen.
Oh gosh.
Whoa. Yeah.
I wasn't scared, actually.
God.
She looks like she has eaten recently.
It looks pretty fresh. You think?
Yes.
Oh. Oh my. Vampire
Oh
up
my.
there.
Oh, this ain't never good. That's never good. Are you sure you're going the right way?
No?
Is anybody?
I'm never going the right way. Oh, I saw something in there. Oh my goodness. That is a creepy sound.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, they are hungry for blood.
Oh God. I don't think I like the blood manor.
I think. Wow. Oh, hi. How are you? I think I'm okay.
Really?
As long as I'm still alive.
I'm Tammy. It's so nice to meet you. I'm
Trashy Tammy?
some friends. I'm so excited.
Are you trashy?
Trashy taste.
Yeah, I'm Trashy Tammy.
Is that your house?
No, that's not my house. That's my house.
Oh, that's your house.
That's my house.
Yeah, all right. The
It's
small
the camper,
one.
yeah.
Ex-husband blew it up.
Oh.
I want to have fun.
Thank you, Tammy.
Hi.
Hello.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Never
Can't
trust
trust
a
him.
clown.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Can't trust
Here
him.
you go.
Do we go on in?
Yeah.
All right.
Have fun.
Oh my. Oh.
Get ready for the show. Welcome to the fun show. Come on.
Thank you.
Oh my.
Everything looks like it's moving. The colorful bushman.
It's the first.
No biting.
Bushman.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh my.
I like that one. Yeah. That is really cool with that at the end. I don't know about this. He's got a really big lollipop. We were getting on him. Oh my God, that's creepy.
Oh man.
Look how creepy the vintage. Oh, which one's real?
Oh god.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
I'm on the
Oh god.
poison ivy greenhouse. Oh
Bushman.
We already saw the Bushman. Oh, there's a cloud. Oh. Tyler, these plants.
Oh,
Watch
this can't
out
be good.
for the plants.
This can't be good.
Oh, ew, there's a giant spider up there.
Yeah.
Ew, what is that? No, it's up there.
giant
It's
centipede.
gross.
What if it came down here?
Oh, there's an egg. Ew. Oh, we've made it into. Oh, there's a Tyler.
Oh,
it's
plane
you.
crash.
Yeah. Is that a creeper pipe? Kind of looks like a creeper pipe.
Oh.
My. It's a gypsy bus. Oh.
Oh, look
Look
at
at that bridge. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh
You gotta go
no.
across a rope bridge to get to it?
Yeah. Oh shoot. Ah!
Oh, man.
Oh my god, this is scary.
Oh, man.
I don't like it.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Dead Man's Island. Oh, God.
Dead Man's
Oh, don't trust that mermaid.
Oh, man. It's a karate ship.
It is a karate ship with a full moon. Ooh. I saw something moving. What was it? Oh gosh.
Do you want to come aboard the ship?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Oh, we're swinging around.
Oh my god, this ship is
Oh, God.
There's more than one. We don't want to be shark bait. No. That's so cool.
Oh, man.
Oh god. Why is he a cannibal? Oh wow.
Sea
It's real. Oh god.
Let's get the seven lad. I'll be feeding you to the Kraken.
Oh,
To the
my.
Kraken? Oh hell, is this
Krakens.
crooked? I feel
We
like
don't
we're
need no
crooked.
Krakens.
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
Oh. Oh no. Oh, Talon Falls is fun. I like the pirate ship. What was your favorite part?
All right, now on to the third and final house. That's the Dead End Haunted House.
My name's Roadkill Rhonda. I'm Leatherface's sister.
Oh.
And this is Fox. Everybody say hi, Fox.
Hi, Fox.
What? No, you got the next group. I got this group. Don't argue with me. I apologize. Have y'all been here before?
Never been here before.
Oh, okay.
First timers.
Well, this is how close they're going to get.
Oh.
Get that close. They won't touch you.
Oh.
You don't touch them.
I won't touch them.
No.
I see it in your eyes. You're thinking about it. Don't you do? All right, y'all ready to go?
We're ready.
This is 5 out of 5 on the scare factor. It's the scariest one.
Nice.
Yeah. Stay together no matter what they say or do. He may or may not chase you.
Okay.
All right, we're going up to a house. Yeah, everything's normal. I don't like storms.
Starting to believe it. Oh, God.
What in the bloody heck is that? They are draining that
Oh, no.
cow.
You see my bitch? Look at this bitch right here. This is my bitch, not your bitch. This is my lady. Get off my land.
Well, I like it there.
Get off my land. Get off my
That's a big song.
Did you hear these sounds?
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
Hey, y'all gotta ride.
No, I don't
Y'all
think
gotta
so.
ride. You ain't gotta ride.
No, I'm on foot.
Hey, man, me either. I'm on these here 2 feet.
Oh, yeah. Well, look
Hey,
at
man,
you.
what kind of car you driving?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't have
Chevy
one.
S10.
That's right.
That's a good call.
Admitted I'm being
Chevy.
Why are you leaving me? That's so rude.
That's creepy. That's so creepy.
Wow.
Oh, God, there's Leatherface.
Help me, please. Get me out of here. Stop. Help me, please. Get me out.
Maybe
Help
China
me.
will
How
help
could
you.
you do this to me, please?
China will help you.
Help me, please. I'm stuck.
Hey, y'all don't listen to her, man. She loves it here. All right, I'm gonna show y'all something. I did this with a Swiss Army knife.
That's
They ain't
a lot of
lying when
work.
they say and thinks can do some work. Hey, you want to send Jim?
No, 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 no.
You look cold. You want to work out? No. You look real cold. Yeah. You're not cold. I'll make you one right here, right here.
I'm good.
Wow.
Oh, no.
That is so cool.
Oh, sick.
Oh, wow. Another flagship.
Oh my god.
Oh, sick. Oh, man.
Oh my god.
Tiger on the bottom.
Oh, I don't think I need one. He does. Oh my god. I don't want a lobotomy. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, in the morning.
Oh, it's. I don't think she's happy with being cold. Oh no, there's blood.
Oh, it's windy.
We're trying not to get admitted. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh, look at his teeth. I can't. Oh! Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh That's not necessary. Oh.
It's quite a collection there.
Oh my. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god. They weren't wrong. They get much closer to you in that one.
Right? Holy crap, guys. So that was the Dead End Haunted House and the last haunt here at Talon Falls. Let us know what you thought. We are definitely going to be sticking around here for a minute and checking out this Midway. They got all kinds of awesome vendors and food here. Give yourself plenty of time to take full advantage of this place. Definitely one of the best haunts we've been to here in the States. Now, if you enjoyed this haunted house, you're not going to want to miss this one here. It's Wicked World Scaregrounds. It's over in Lexington. They're another multi-attraction haunt, and they've even got zombie laser tag in there. Super cool. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.